Okay, started doing some wood carving, and I've got a program called VCarve Pro, and you can see that I've downloaded this image from the internet. I downloaded it a couple of weeks ago, so I'm not sure where I found it, but I'll show you the type of thing I'm doing. I've put it in Google, and I'm looking for Celtic images. There's the images there. Let's see if we can find anything. There's the kind of thing I'm finding. Now, if I take just pictures, I take black and white pictures. See, I'm finding these. And those are the kind of things I'm looking at. That one there, and these kind of things here. Yeah? So then what I do is I'll right click on it, and then I can save image as. You see? So that's how I found this image. So what I did then was I downloaded it. I've cleaned it up a bit, and then what I'll do is I'll get this program then to fit vectors to image. Then I'll move the image away. You can find the image again. If it come on. Yeah. It's not that. That's the image, you see, and it leaves that behind. So after I've tidied it up, it takes a little while, maybe two. I've ended up with this. See, and and then what I do then is I use these vectors, as they're called, to make a table mat. So let's have a look at how I do that then. So what I want to do is I want to mark this, and then I want to take away the outer circle. Get back to that in a bit, and I'm going to make this a pocket. So create pocket. I go 2 millimeters deep with a V bit. So let's have a look at that. See, it's going to cut out at 2 millimeters, and it's going to run at 99 millimeters a minute. That's the rate it's going to cut through the wood, which is really sort of a meter a minute. So it's going to go through it quite fast. So and then it'll cut out with a V, and then it'll cut out the clearance with a 3 millimeter end bit, and you can see that that's going to go a little bit slower because it's actually got 4 flutes on it, so you need to go a bit slower with it, or you'll put it out. So let's calculate that. That's the pocket. It then does a preview here. So let's have a preview of that. There it is, going through preview the cut. It's changed over. See, so that's what that's done. And now what we'll do then is we're going to cut a V cut into that ring there. So you put like a chamfer on it. Going to go 4 millimeters with that, and we're going to select a bit there. Right, that's going to go at the same speed at 99. and 999 is going to go a metre a minute. And we want it on the line. We don't want it on the outside line, we want it on the line. So let's have a look at that profile. Let's finish that. And let's have a profile of that. See, you can see it's got a little bit deeper. You can actually, if you look in the bottom left right corner there, you can see that that's 2 millimeters. The bottom of that is 4 millimeters. You can see it's, I can't actually get the right into there, but you can see it's 4 millimeters in the corner. Looking at those X and Y's there. See, there's 2 millimeters and there's a 4 millimeter. Right. And then, now we've done that, I'm going to run another one outside the line and we're going to cut it out. I'm going to cut it out with a 3 millimeter end mill. This is again going at 666 millimeters a minute. And it's going to cut at 2 millimeters. It's going to go around once, and then it's going to go 2 millimeters down, and then go round and round. Can't go too deep with those, or you'll break the bit. So that's that one done. We'll calculate that, and then we'll have a look at the thing on there. That one. I've not actually done the depth of this. It's 12. It's actually 16. And it's the thickness of the material is 16. Blunder on that one. We're going to go back, cut it. We're going to do it again, and we're going to go to 16 5. So it'll cut it out. See, and then it says whether we'll cut through the material. Yes. Going to go preview all toolpaths. So as you can see, that's the first bit going. There's the V bit cutting out. There's the V bit cutting out. That's the last one. I'm going to go right through, delete the wood, and that's what we're going to end up with. So now I'm going to save these. I have to be careful now because some of them, so that one, those two are together, those are 3 millimeter end mills. So let's save it. That's the end mill code, so we'll save it as that. And then that's the V bit. Let's see that, the V bit mill, the V bit tool, and we'll save that V bit. And that's it. Now I'm going to close off here and go out into the garage. I'm going to start the cut in the garage. Okay, we're finished now. We've finished in the garage, and I made this while I was there, and it's worked out quite well. It doesn't look too bad. It's it's for putting casseroles on the table so it doesn't burn it. So it's not bad. I finished it with you see how I burned it a bit. I used it like a blow lamp to to try and burnish it, but it went a bit deep, so I'll have to take it a bit easier on the next one. Yeah, so that's it. That was me homemade CNC machine and doing some wood carving. Yeah.